See a file named HTACCESS on your web server and unsure what to do with it. This tiny configuration file has enormous power over your website behavior. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through safely viewing and editing Apache HTACCESS files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized HTACCESS file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. HTACCESS files are distributed server configuration files used by the Apache HTTP Server. They control directory-level settings including URL rewriting, access restrictions, authentication rules, MIME type definitions, custom error pages, caching directives, and SSL redirection without requiring main server configuration access. Apache HTACCESS files use plain text with Apache directive syntax following the mod choc rewrite mod.auth mod.headers and other Apache module command formats. Each directive occupies a single line or uses container blocks, and the file is parsed per request for the directory in which it resides. For reliable opening, Apache HTTP Server by Apache Software Foundation offers the best solution for HTACCESS. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows may display structured text, but interpreting the meaning relies on external guidance. To start the process, right-click your HTACCESS file and select Open With. If you have Apache HTTP Server installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. When a HTACCESS file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the HTACCESS file. First, opening and editing. Open the HTACCESS file in any text editor such as Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or Sublime Text. The file may be hidden by default on macOS and Linux systems, so enable hidden file visibility in your file manager. Use an editor with Apache syntax highlighting for easier reading and editing. Next, understanding common directives. Review the HTACCESS file for common directives like rewrite rule for URL redirection, require for access control, header for HTTP header modification, and error document for custom error pages. Each directive follows Apache module syntax, and incorrect entries can cause 500 internal server errors on your website. Finally, testing and deploying changes. Always back up the original HTACCESS file before making changes. Upload the modified file to your web server via FTP or your hosting file manager. Test your website immediately after changes to verify proper functionality. Use Apache's Confidus command or check server error logs to debug any configuration issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.